There's nothing left to do but sing. There's nothing left to do but sing. There's nothing left to do but sing.
I woke up this morning and my soul crawled up my skin and whispered in my ear, the revolution starts within, but without justice in this world, my poetry's so paper thin. Like how we gonna enlighten when we watch our children dying? And how you gonna fight the man if you're fighting to survive? And how we gonna find the truth when all we know is lies? And all we know about standing up for life is seeing fallen angels, spirits rising. And why then do we need another goddamn poem about revolution? Somewhere in the world, a girl is counting stars and grains of rice and praying hard to save her life, and pain and strife are the only cards she had to play with. And somewhere in Haiti, a mother's counting her dead children. And somewhere in New England, another's counting multi-millions. Somewhere in Chicago, broken circles, old in prison. And somewhere in Colombia, the land's too poisonous to live in, and people live there. And somewhere in the world, landmines and pipelines, crack pipes and high-rises circumvent the land like lines designing palms of hands, printing futures we will never understand until our ancestors become our children. And somewhere in Africa, someone's listening to God through television and praying to paper dolls and holy gods draped in white skin with eyes fixed on heaven. They never look down to see their own wings. And somewhere in the suburbs, someone got an SUV for Christmas and the son forgot to do the dishes. But somewhere baby sisters wake to the hot ring of nails scraping rib cages, holding hearts hostage in the forgotten regions of the projects. Somewhere someone's watching their life bleed out their eyes, and someone's trying to survive. And right now, we're letting hope dry up and die right now. Another 10 million poems about revolution might not bring it back to life, but there's nothing left to do but try. A caged bird can sing even if she can't fly. So I write revolutions with my pen. Cause right now the amount of bling the US spends on Hollywood, pet food, cosmetics and bombs would be enough to stop AIDS, call for reparations and feed away starvation. Right now a girl sleeps afraid of the shadows below her door and the weight of the world thrust in her. Right now cold fingers cleanse paper cups and casualties display missing limbs at busy intersections, waiting for the light to turn red again. Right now West Africa's orphans are calling freedom, carving platinum into chains and shackles extracted from their mother's veins by their cousins' newfound slavery. Right now on the G train in Indígena, a woman is force feeding her newborn baby formula, cause the nation's breast was drained by Texaco when there was nowhere left to go but underground railroads into sweatshops in this land of opportunity. Right now in West Philly, a born and raised stranger is pushing his pain between the legs of an angel and pissing his name on her face to prove he still exists. Right now kids are misplacing anger in bullet holes. Our saviors are growing old in the silent regions of our consciousness. And this poem is not supposed to be depressing.
Even if she can't fly.
Cause somewhere in the world a newborn's taking her first breath in. Somewhere someone's caressing the face of their first love, and someone's dancing despite the hunger. And sometimes I dream in colors our eyes haven't even learned to see yet. I dream peace. I dream peace is peeled off every bed and bumper sticker and swallowed like hard candy until we can all feel it deep within us. Justice is pulled down from tree limbs.